It's a pleasure today and an honor to be speaking to Professor Richard Taylor.
So if you have a mean annual air temperature of 25 degrees and you experience 2 or 3 degrees of warming, we've already experienced more than 1 and we're on track for 2 very shortly. The intensification of the rainfall in the tropics is 2 to 3 times greater than it is at mid to high latitudes. So when we talk about 1.5 degrees in the Paris Agreement, it doesn't recognize the fact that the impacts are differentiated. And so, for instance, the more intensive floods, longer droughts, these are 2 to 3 times greater relative to the mid or high latitudes.
Land prices are very expensive in developing cities. There's a tendency to say, let's develop everything, let's concretize everything, and we'll somehow just build bigger drains in a few places and that's going to solve it. It's not going to solve it because you can never build a drain large enough. You have to make the whole landscape absorb and not focus on individual points where you can actually somehow mitigate everything.
That glass of water that you take from that deep well has a whole range of ages, if you want to call it, or has spent some of it relatively recent and fast moving through, and some of it maybe longer and slower. And so it can have a very wide range in what we might call residence time in the subsurface. Something sobering for us to recognize when we understand how we use groundwater.